Look, Leandro opened it to show me, to show that the car is good. Then I realized that he is 6 cylinders. It's that engine they call the slant 6. Right? The tough 6-cylinder, man. Even though it's 6 cylinders, this can handle it. That's why it's still around today. It probably never left. Maybe it never will. That's how tough this engine is. What a unique car. It's cool to see this here. I didn't expect to find one of these so soon in such excellent condition. Dodge Coronado. Vinyl roof. Look at all the parts in the trunk. He said they're from all kinds of cars. The rear kind of looks like a Dart. It's somewhere between a Dart and a Roadrunner, right? With this little brake here, see on the tail light, really cool, really different, 4 doors. Interesting, really cool. Brand new, the car is brand new, beautiful, really good looking. Ah, my friends, what a wild place. We're back in Rio Grande do Sul. This state hides amazing places, people. This is really crazy. You'll see in this video what kind of cars are in this place. It looks like a junkyard. Old cars, new cars. La Sanja. Thank you, PC, for bringing me here. Thanks also to Lucival Drag Racing V8 for opening the doors of Rio Grande do Sul to me a few years ago. And that's why I like doing this for you guys, because we keep discovering places like this. This is really crazy.
This car came here. It used to be a cream color, kind of beige, and we painted it orange. We put it there, but it was already kind of rusty. Then it just split open there, just sitting there. It broke in half.
What do you mean it broke in half?
It rotted over time.
It rotted and broke?
It broke.
By itself?
By itself, it broke. It was standing up more, right?
Generally?
Then it gave in there.
Oh, wow. The car just broke in half by itself, poor thing. Look at the Monza steering wheel, Chevette. That's crazy, the Dojão. Falling apart, right?
What?
Falling apart here?
Falling apart.
It's over. How many years has it been?
This car, I think about 6 years.
Here?
About 6 or 7 years.
That's crazy. We're here with Leandro. So much has happened, right, Leandro?
A lot, right?
Years here, just letting it go. Those guys over there are really wild. The look, the F-100 looks nice, man. Can you use it? Does it have an engine?
The F-100 belongs to a friend.
Oh, it's a friend's.
It works. It's right there.
The lodge property lets you store friends' cars too.
They just stay there in the yard.
Look how crazy that is. Look at this one. Has it been here for a long time too?
It's been a while.
Wow, that's crazy, man.
There's a tractor over there, a 54 right there, over there in the corner. That belonged to my wife's grandpa, man.
So there are many stories.
Yeah, that tractor.
54?
54 works.
Does it work?
It works.
Look, tires, engine. The man must have a lot of stuff. Look at his truck.
8 cylinders.
Is it 8?
8.
Awesome, huh? Is there anything for sale here? What exactly do you do?
For sale? Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Is it just yours?
What isn't mine belongs to a friend.
What isn't yours is kept here from your friends. And you have barbecues.
We created a downstairs space to set up a bar where everyone can gather. People will invite their friends. That's the plan.
And it keeps adding up.
Bringing more people who like it, right? Let's go downstairs so we can take a look.
Is there more stuff over there?
There's more stuff.
Check out this Dodge Ram. That would be good enough for us. We'd even take this Chrysler Stratus. How did you start?
Man, we've liked it since we were kids, you know? And then you start getting into it, meeting other people who like it too. We start hanging out and eventually buy cars together.
We buy together and keep collecting.
Let's go pick it up together. Keep tossing it in the yard.
So you're just going to leave it there and do nothing?
Just leave it. You saw things, right?
Go have some fun. Look at this, guys.
You can go down to the garage and check everything, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
That's already nice.
Check out the private junkyard. Another private junkyard for you guys. Look at the minivans, 2 identical ones. That's crazy. The guy really likes it. His friends like it too. We're all crazy. That's us, that's us. Check out the Impala, bro. 4 doors, wow.
There's a Malibu right next to it.
What's the story behind these cars?
I got those as a gift.
You got them as a gift?
Yeah.
As a gift, like given to you?
As a gift?
Do you have the paperwork?
Yes, I do.
Look at this. As a gift, my friend. Here, 67. The worst part is the car is actually nice. 4 doors, yellow plates. And the Malibu right here next to it. That's wild, man. Abandoned. Check out the wheels. I'm excited about what's out here, but I know the real deal is inside. Want to see? Car chassis, scrap everywhere. Look. Seat and caravel. Wow, look inside. Wow, Leandro.
Make yourself at home.
Dude, that's awesome. Man, thank you, man. That's amazing. Look at that. What car is this here?
Cadillac.
Cadillac?
58.
58. What a wild warehouse. Let's look inside. Let's figure out what's here. It's a lot of stuff. Look how cool. You have cars being made that you're working on, restoring, like this Beetle here.
This one belongs to a friend. This one belongs to a friend. There are some things we haven't started yet, haven't touched yet. We're just starting to...
That's wild. Check this out. Wow. Tell me what's here. What are these cars here?
That one is a Mercury.
Is this a Mercury?
This is a Mercury. It's a Montclair.
Ah, it's a Montclair. Does it have a mechanic?
Yes, it does. It works.
It works.
It works.
Car interior here. There you go, Mercury Montclair. Some parts. A National Dodge. From a friend too.
No, this one is ours.
So that one's yours.
Yeah.
And on the side,
Another Dodge.
man, that's awesome. What's that?
You don't know?
I don't know.
It's a Boguar.
Oh, is it?
Isabella.
Boguar, right?
Yeah,
Isabella?
Isabella.
That's crazy, man. Wow, that's great. Just being here is cool. I get him, you guys get him, and everyone who watches this channel gets the guy. Right, Leandro? It's all here just to be seen. The point is to have fun. Even just standing here. Crazy, huh? Has it been stopped here long?
Everything has been stopped for a long time.
Wow, that's crazy, man. Hey! So cool. Hey, Leandro, what about here?
Dodge.
What car is this one here?
It's a Dodge Coronado.
Argentinian.
That's right.
This front is crazy, right, man? It's really different. We never had anything like this in Brazil in our time.
99 or 98,000 kilometers.
Really? This new? Wow, that's crazy, man. Can I see inside?
You can. You can.
Look, the car really is new. Is this yours?
Yes.
Have you had it for a long time?
It's been 5 years.
How did you get this car?
I bought it from a friend of mine.
Did you buy it from around here in the south?
Yeah, in the south.
It's nice, huh? It's different, right?
Cool, right?
Is this where you store the cars?
That's right. We work here.
And here we do a few things.
We do a little something, yeah?
I fix things.
Yeah.
Are you guys going to rescue some of these cars here and get them running?
The idea is to start working on the Cadillac. Mercury. Let me see. Assemble the Galaxy.
Ah, the Galaxy is ready.
Yeah, but we need to fix a few things in the paint job.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. You need to assemble the Impala. It's back there.
What Impala? Is there an Impala there?
There's an Impala. The ladder there for you is better. There's an Oldsmobile here. Look.
Look, a Cutlass.
Can I go through?
Yes, you can. Wow. These guys have a lot of cars, man. It's not just an empty lot. They've got some nice stuff here, huh?
There's something in the trunk. Do you want me to take it off from up there?
No, it's fine.
Yeah?
Is there a SE here?
This is in retweet.
Ah, it's a Charger.
Yeah.
Check out the Impala with the red interior. Is it a 63?
63.
Look, this one's ready too, huh? Nice, man.
And assemble.
Is it yours?
Yes.
Awesome, huh? Congratulations, Leandro. You guys have so many cool things here to enjoy for years to come. This will go far, right?
It will.
Oh my goodness. And what are you going to do here?
It's working here.
Nothing, right? Here you just use it.
Just use it.
Man, this place is crazy, dude. I loved it. PC is with the girls over there. They're avoiding the video, but he and the girls brought me here. Look at the guys over there. Thanks, PC. Awesome, man. What an amazing place, dude. Pete sent the photos. I said, take me there. Leandro just got here now. Look, so Leandro, what's the plan? Are we just going for it?
Let's take it slow.
Slow and steady?
Yeah.
Which project are you finishing and sending out next?
I think it's the Landau and the Mercury, right?
Mercury's pretty crazy, huh?
The Landau and the Mercury. The Mercury works.
Does it work?
It works.
But you won't touch it here, right? Bodywork?
Mercury leaves it like that, right?
Look. Here's the cream, huh? Just the way the gaucho likes it. Look at this view, man. It's seriously awesome. Awesome. Look at the guys over there. Look at what happens here. Look at those guys. That's it. Everyone gets together here. Barbecue, beer, tools and old cars. Check out this view. Everything's ready. Wow, Cadillac. Continental kit on the back here. Look. Rat rod junker? Cool.
Nice ride, right? I saw it once.
Why would you need more than me?
I never thought the guy would actually show up.
Look.
But he only came because of you, right?
Amazing, man. Amazing. What else are you going to bring here?
Man, there's more Oldsmobile, more Model A, Model T. There are some surprises coming too.
Are there more cars coming?
There are more cars coming.
It never ends. As long as there's space.
A friend says this is even worse than drugs. Isn't that true?
You bring it in and we decide what to do, right, Leandro?
This is my friend's FSEM from Portugal.
Oh, is this an FSEM here?
That's right.
What else?
This one's from another friend of mine. These three and that Landau up there all belong to the same owner, FSEM.
Ah, the Landau that's there is from
Azevedo.
Azevedo's. Does he live in Portugal?
He lives in Portugal and follows you there.
Really? Hey, look, a hug. Thanks, man. Thank you. Say hi to everyone there, man. Send them a hug. Tell them I was glad to see your car here. Hey, congrats. That's it. Take it easy and keep working on it, even from a distance. See, the guy lives in Portugal, but still keeps the pickup here. The truck's in good shape. Man, that's cool. That's really nice to get to know your cars here. That's it, man. It's rust in the veins, man. Here it's rust in the veins.
CDV.
And suddenly you said, no, let's make our own car.
Let's build a car and open a bar.
Ah, a bar. You mentioned the bar. Are you still going to open the bar?
Let's open the bar next door. We set up a small improvised bar here, right?
There's already something going on.
Yeah, it happens. Something happens weekly.
The goal is to attract people to consume.
Yeah, and then a friend comes, the friend invites another friend. And we're not going to open to the public, right?
Oh, is it going to be just for friends?
Yeah.
I see. And the old cars?
The old cars are for people to look at. The plan is to make a track here for a burnout.
And still leave room for fun.
Yeah, do you want to take a look over there?
Let's go.
At the construction site over there?
Let's go.
And there are more old cars back there, man.
Even more?